Wheat Ridge has made a concerted effort using LiveWell Wheat Ridge and other partners to enhance the quality of life for all of our citizens and their eating habits. The city has leveraged over $12 million of funds and grants to improve our parks and recreation programs, our bike paths, our walking paths, and all of our locations in the city where we have public transportation.
LiveWell Wheat Ridge is a community coalition funded by LiveWell Colorado. We're one of multiple communities here in the state of Colorado working to reduce and prevent obesity, to increase access to environments that support physical activity, and to increase access to healthy food.
In 2009, the city adopted the Pedestrian and Bicycle Master Plan, which really lays a blueprint for how we want to improve bicycling and pedestrian access throughout the city. A great example is the Wadsworth Multi-Use Trail. It will allow for bicyclists and people on foot, as well as those who have come by bus, to access City Hall much more safely than they could before.
What we do at the Parks and Recreation Department is create safe places, both at the Recreation Center and out in the parks and Greenbelt. We're very honored to have the Wheat Ridge Recreation Center. It is a community facility, lots of opportunities for all ages and income levels. It's accessible to several schools in the area, but we also have the Wheat Ridge Greenbelt Trail that is right by the Recreation Center. Greenbelt is approximately 6 miles long. It is part of the Clear Creek Trail system that runs through the Denver metro area. Our most recent park is Discovery Park, that we were fortunate enough to add a skate park to.
Now what the Access to Fresh Fruits and Vegetables Task Force does is seek to promote urban agriculture, farmers markets, urban gardens, broaden and promote access to healthy food choices.
So the Summer Food Service Program is a federally funded child nutrition program. It is meant to replace school meals during the summer. When children are out of school, they lose access to their meals, and it's really the time of year when they're most at risk of experiencing hunger.
These are bags that are going to have food in them to help these students get through the weekend when the safety net of the school lunch program and breakfast program isn't available to them.
We package that food together so that each student has enough food to have 3 square meals per day over the course of a weekend.
I am a mother of 2 children here in the Wheat Ridge area, and I'm a community member who's involved with the Active Community Environments Task Force, and also being a parent of children who are very active in the community with soccer and bike riding and walking. We have enjoyed all of the physical amenities that this community has to offer. I think with the broad scope of players and partners involved in this, that it's more sustainable than a particular policy which is going to come and go. People are on the bandwagon, and they will continue to be so because they are actually seeing their thoughtful efforts that are putting place in policy come to fruition in terms of the change in the built environment.